Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on the web. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change language in your Android phone. Okay, you can delete your existing language or you can change your new existing language with the new language. So let's start with the video. Before you starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So without time wasting, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. Okay, so guys, I'm on my Android phone, so let me open first setting. You have to go in setting first. Okay, to order to change your phone language, just go to the setting. And as you know, every phone has a different setting option and interface. Okay, so here you can search the system. Okay, just click the search system tab here, and now you can see the language input. And from here you will see your existing language. Just click on it, and if you have only one language here, you can't delete. You have to add another language from here, then you can delete it. Just click on add and just choose the language, and it will be add to your uh, mobile. Okay, so now if you want to make the primary make the primary language, so just click on language and hold it and just swap up on top, so it will be your primary language. Oh, okay. So if you want to delete for some particular language, just click on this three dot option and click on remove. So here you can choose the language and just click on remove. So this setting or process will be different for every mobile, so just check out on your phone. So just click on it, so it will be deleted. So if you want to add again, you can add from here. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.